Well, hello everybody. Looks like we're getting started on the timber frame tonight. And look what a beautiful sunset I have behind me. I don't know if you can see that. I get my big head out of the way. Anyways, it's a gorgeous night. Finally, the snow has stopped falling, at least for the time being. And I'm getting started on the timber frame barn. Moving some dirt. It's not that exciting, but hey, it's a start. So stay tuned. We'll kind of finish this up, get everything moved out of here, get the sod busted up. This ground was really hard, so I had to use that beautifully made in the USA subsoiler to break up that sod. And worked pretty good. Got a long ways to go here, but we'll get it. Anyways, the timber frame barn has started, so stay tuned to future episodes. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like what we're doing around here, and we'll see you next time.